art friends, today we're drawing a really cool pet. What are we drawing?
A Tamagotchi.
Yeah, what is it?
There's a pet inside and you're trying to take care of it.
Yeah, it's a little digital pet and they're really fun to play with. But we're gonna draw one. We hope you're gonna follow along with us. You ready to start?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's put it right here in the middle so that we can look at it while we draw it. And we can also take care of it if we need to.
Yeah.
I think it needs to be played with.
Yeah.
Oh, it's only got one heart of happiness.
Oh no, I need to play after this.
Yeah, you better. You don't want it to get sad.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Let's start with the screen, and we're going to draw a square shape right in the middle of our paper. So I'm going to draw it not too big because we don't want to draw our Tamagotchi too big, but I'm going to draw it this size, which actually is pretty big. So you could draw the letter L first. Yeah, draw it in the middle of your paper. There you go. And then you can draw the top, and then we're going to draw it coming down.
So it looks like it's going to be E if you add a...
Oh yeah, it looks like an E if you did.
And then you'll make it into a box.
There you go. Then we're going to draw the outside or egg shape of our Tamagotchi. We're going to start here, and we'll draw it coming under, over, and back up. There you go. Keep going. Yes. And then we'll draw the top. We're going to go up. We'll start on this side. You can start on the other side. Up and down. Got this egg shape. And then there's got this little border around the screen, and it looks like it's cracking open out of the egg. Because that's how it starts, right? Inside of an egg. Okay, let's start by drawing a sideways letter V here on the side. Right here. Then we'll draw... That's okay. Yeah, no, you did a great job. Then we'll draw a little line down on the corner. Then we'll draw a diagonal line coming across. Then we'll draw it coming back up. Then we're going to draw another kind of bigger V right here in the middle. And then we'll draw a smaller V down here. And then we're going to come up to a big crack over here on the side. Yeah, come out. There you go. And then we're going to come back in, and then we're going to go back out. Then we'll be up here at this corner. Yeah, and then we're going to come across, down, and then we're going to add another V right here, upside down V, and then another small V and connect in. There's the little cracked border around our screen, and yours looks awesome. I love all of those crazy lines. And yours is probably more excited to get out of the egg than mine is, which I like. Okay, now let's add the buttons. We're going to add one circle button in the middle. We'll start with the B button, the second one.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Yeah. Then we're going to draw the button, the first button, which is...
A.
Yeah, A. And then what's the third button over here?
C.
Yeah, it goes A, B, C.
D, E, F,
No, there's
G.
only 3. Now let's draw the chain. We're going to start by drawing an oval, a really skinny oval shape right here at the top. Really skinny. And then we're going to draw the hole that it connects into, so we can draw 2. Yeah, and then we're going to draw another one on the outside of it. And then the cool little keychain right here is just made out of circles. So I'm going to draw a bunch of circles that are connected together. And this is really fun practice because we want them to all be the same size. Wow, you're doing a great job. And then we're going to go all the way around and connect to the other side. So this part we'll fast forward, but our art friends can pause the video and take extra time to draw this chain. We did it, Olivia. We finished drawing. Well, what are we missing?
The little person inside.
Yeah, the actual Tamagotchi pet. Let's draw just the simple one right here. We're going to draw an oval shape. He's kind of a square circle. So I'm going to draw a little... Oh, let's draw his face first. Let's draw eyes. We could draw the mouth and another eye. Yeah, I like that you're adding little pixels too. So we're going to draw the face first. So draw the mouth. There you go. Oh, the mouth is open. That's awesome. And then we're going to draw the body going around the outside. So I'm going to draw a little dot in the corner and then a straight line down. This is kind of tricky, but for our friends, if they want, they could just simplify this by drawing a circle. We could also add the little symbols up at the top, like the fork and knife, and the light bulb, and the bat and ball. What else? There's a shot. And what's the duck for? Oh, don't say it. And then we have also the scale, I think, for the happiness. And then there's a little Pac-Man symbol with him yelling. And what's that for?
That is for if you don't know what it needs, you can just press that button and then it'll tell you.
It'll tell you. Oh, so it's the alerts.
Yeah.
I'm going to add the little fork over here, which I don't know if my marker is small enough to. There it is.
I love that fork.
And then the knife. I'm going to add a little knife. I'm only adding this one because I want to feed my pet. But our friends could change it and add a different symbol if they want. Maybe they want the bat and ball. We did it. We finished drawing our Tamagotchi, except we still need to
color it.
Color it, yeah. This part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video if you want to match our coloring, or you could color yours differently because they all come in different colors and also designs. This one looks like a donut or a cupcake. The brown buttons and also the sprinkles. That would be fun if you colored yours like that. And I might color mine blue. I'm not sure.
Blue.
Yeah.
Straight blue.
You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
We finished drawing and coloring our Tamagotchis and they turned out awesome. I especially like yours with all the sprinkles. Looks awesome.
Thanks, I like yours too.
Oh, thanks. Now our friends can pause the video to match our coloring, but I think it would be awesome if they colored theirs differently. You could even change your little guy so that he's making a different face.
We hope you have fun drawing a Tamagotchi.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.